making some Choc mint truffles. So I'm only going to be using 4 ingredients for this recipe. I'm going to be using the Happy Way Hemp Cacao mint protein powder, which we've had some requests to create some more recipes with. So I'm going to be using that today. I'm going to be using some melted dark vegan chocolate. I'm using a sugar-free one here. And I've got some avocados that are nice and ripe, and some peppermint oil. However, you could use peppermint extract as well. However, if you don't have that, the cacao mint protein will be enough. And I've also got some crushed pistachios and the Happy Way cacao powder to roll the truffles into at the end. So to make this recipe, I'm simply going to be adding the protein powder, the avocados and the melted chocolate, as well as the peppermint oil into the food processor and blitzing that together until it's nice and smooth and creamy. Then I'll set that aside in a bowl and place it in the fridge for about half an hour until the mixture solidifies a little bit, so it's enough to roll into balls. And then I'll simply roll the balls into some crushed pistachios and some of the cacao powder to garnish.